Is your consumer cellular voicemail not working on your iPhone? Let's fix it. There are two types of voicemail: basic, accessed by dialing *86, and visual voicemail, found in the phone app. Consumer cellular primarily supports visual voicemail, requiring a data connection. First, ensure your iPhone is activated on consumer cellular. Go to Settings, Phone, Voicemail to set up your password and greeting. Also, the correct APN-CC data is critical for data routing. If problems persist, try toggling airplane mode. Reset network settings via Settings General. Transfer Reset iPhone. Reset network settings. Force quit the phone app. Always check for iOS updates. If you're in a rural area, enable Wi-Fi calling in your iPhone settings. If you're not getting voicemail notifications, ensure they're enabled in Settings, Phone, Voicemail Notifications. Make sure Allow Notifications and Show Previews are turned on. Battery saver mode can interfere with notifications, so check and disable it if needed. A common fix is resetting network settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Reset network settings. For iPhone 16 users, try reseating the SIM card by removing and reinserting it. Update carrier settings by going to Settings, General, About, and wait for a carrier update prompt. If visual voicemail still fails, use Consumer Cellular's app for improved reliability and AI-assisted transcriptions. As a last resort, contact Consumer Cellular support for back-end resets. Many issues come from user-side settings, so double-check everything.